Hi everybody, welcome to English 1B. I'm Dr. Walter. You can call me Krista or you can call me Professor Walter, whatever you like. And I'm just here to introduce myself. So I'm going to be your teacher this summer. Congratulations on choosing to take English 1B online. That's a big commitment. Well done. I don't know if you are just finishing up your spring semester like I am, or if you have just started at PCC. But taking a summer class is a really good idea. Taking an online class is also a really good idea, but it has its challenges, so we're here to work those out together. This is actually my first time teaching English 1B online. I've been teaching it for years. I love this class, but I'm a little nervous because I have spent months and months and months trying to design a really good online version of what I would normally teach in the classroom. I'm sure there are going to be some glitches, and if you run into any of those, I hope you'll let me know right away. So, a little bit about myself. I've been teaching at PCC for over 20 years. I got my PhD at UC Irvine in the last century, and my area of specialization is American literature, especially 19th century American literature, but I have many, many passions. One of my passions is teaching literature as a way of understanding people and the world. I think it's an amazing creative lens. So I'm very passionate about English 1B for that reason. Second passion of mine is environmentalism. I'm an avid environmentalist, and I'm deeply, deeply concerned about the environmental crisis that we are facing. So in my English 1C classes, that's what the focus is. It's called the Environmental Revolution. If this interests you, I hope you'll consider taking English 1C with me in the fall. I teach 2 face-to-face and 2 online versions of this class. And I also have another passion, and that is traveling. I love to go camping. I love to travel. I do outward bound classes with a colleague here at PCC, maybe next summer. And I love to teach in the study abroad program. So if that interests you, let me know and I'll tell you all about it. So, welcome. Let's get started. As soon as you can, please do the orientation module. Let me just show you what it looks like.